Everyone, got a 2021 GMC Yukon. We're getting change engine oil soon. Okay, we're gonna reset that. This applies to the Suburban and Tahoe if you have one of those. Okay, so we're just gonna hit enter right here, which is the wheel button. Hit enter. Now we are going to scroll over. Let's see, we'll hit enter again. We're in the radio mode. We're gonna go and we're gonna scroll over to the left, to the right. We're gonna get to this I symbol here. We're gonna go up and down, okay, until we get to oil life. Right here, 5%. All we're gonna do is press and hold the wheel button down. And let go, and it will reset to 100%. And that's it. Now we can do the air filter too if you've done the air filter. So find that. Hit menu, reset, go to yes, enter, done.